The con crunch. It's true.
All of it. In the late hours of the night, when you're normally in bed, you wonder, is it worth it?
When you've poked your fingers so many times with sewing needles, you wonder, should I just call it good?
When you've glued your fingers together and think you just can't continue. At the last hours, you submit to the fact that you have no time for that last detail.
And you start using safety pins instead of magnets. But you know,
it's going to be amazing.
So I'm working on some snaps, probably seen before. I like to do test runs of everything, especially this. There's 4 little components and they're all just a little different. I wanted to make sure I got them right, not backwards, and that I could snap it.
Nothing to see here, folks. Star Wars Celebration. Is there any event that is more Star Wars for Star Wars fans? I think not. I'm a firm believer that every Star Wars fan should get to experience an event like this at least once. You are completely surrounded by other fans that are all there to experience the same joy and excitement as you are. It doesn't matter what film you love or what character is your favorite. It doesn't matter if you prefer the original trilogy, the prequels, the sequels, or the many TV series. This is an event where we are all fans together and sharing that passion with one another. Events like these can create so many memories. And I'll tell you, to be able to wear these costumes that we put so much time and energy in was a real treat for both of us. But the biggest takeaway we had from Star Wars Celebration was all the time we got to spend with so many of you that support everything we do. Thank you.